This is good. Oh, huh, Oh, hi. Welcome back to EducateTube.com. My name is Sipsky, your host. Today I'll be showing you how to make flavored popcorn really quickly. Basically, what you need. Oh, excuse me a minute. What you need is your favorite chips. Like if you have a cheesy puff or onion ring chips, whatever it is, what you need to do is pour those chips into a bag like this one here, and then just crush them. So onion ring or the cheesy puff will work really well. Okay, you would heat up, microwave your popcorn. Just when it's really hot and buttery, you then pour these crushed cheesy puff or onion ring and just sprinkle it onto your popcorn, your buttery popcorn, like this. Oh yeah. And just give me a second here. You have a nice cheesy popcorn, and just stir it around, you know, with your hands. Just your hands gonna be buttery now. And pull up the flavor, because sometimes it goes to the ground. Make sure it sticks to the butter. Now when it's hot, you gotta be careful, okay? When it's hot, you might get burned there, so make sure you don't not to be too hot. Sprinkle it onto it, and there you have it, a flavored popcorn. This is cheesy popcorn that I just made up. It is so good. Thanks for watching EducateTube.com.